up though? Y'all good in the hood, bro? Good, my niggas.
We can't show you our room right now because it's a whole mess.
It was like that when we got it. No, yeah.
No, it didn't. But yeah.
It was like that when y'all got it.
Oh.
Man, we in LA and we at the Hyatt.
You just gonna tell our business?
Yeah, I don't know which
Alright, I
guess.
guess.
Tell them what wrong.
Huh?
We ain't talking about wrong. Matter of fact, by the time we tell them this, we're gonna be gone.
Right. We are currently on our way down to the lobby so we can head out. Finna get on the road and do some stuff.
Take care of things and tubes.
Right. Alright, y'all. So this is our food.
Fresh piece of souvenir here.
You funny. Which one? So we going in the elevator lobby, and then we heading out.
Wash good and hood, wash good and hood, wash good.
We on camera twice, y'all. There's a camera right there. Nope, I noticed it. Oh, let me show y'all the rest of the hotel. This like a little lounge area, lobby, front desk. Well, we leaving out, so can't get to like give you a full-on tour. But we are in LA.
Wagwan massive.
You don't know what say your girl Whitney.
And it's your boy Jessie.
And today we are back with another video.
A lot of people been asking for us to do a Q&A, and now we finally about to do it.
Alright, so let's get straight to it.
Wait. We almost forgot our 3 notification shout outs for the guys and girls who first commented on our last video. Those 3 are Whitney,
Quentin Bolton Jr.,
big up yourself.
Stan Smith,
Big up yourself.
and Caressa. Wait, let me make sure I'm saying it right. Caressa Shirley.
Big up yourself. We appreciate you guys for all the love and support. Next week to comment on this video, you'll be the next one. So let's get straight to our video.
So the first question is, and a lot of people have been asking this one, when are we gonna have a baby? Jessie not ready, y'all.
Y'all nasty. Y'all would y'all nasty. Y'all know what it takes to have a baby. You're nasty. Y'all nasty.
He not ready, so.
Well, yeah, okay. So I'm trying to get rich first, you know what I'm saying? There's a lot of dreams I got, a lot of dreams we got, you know what I'm saying? There's a lot of stuff we trying to do first before we bring another human being in the world, you know what I'm saying? Because when they get here, we want them to be set with no worries, all right? So
that's the answer to that.
All right. Next one.
Where do you guys live? We live in Michigan.
Yep. We live in Michigan. We currently, right now, we are in LA, California, on some business stuff, but we live in Michigan.
Yes. What's your favorite thing about Jamaica? What's yours? Go first.
Oh man, I love the food. Like, they got some good food, y'all. I'm telling you, y'all gotta go down there. I don't know how to pronounce a lot of that stuff, but a lot of it's good though.
I love the vibes and my family. That come first, food after. Him just loving belly. That's all.
Man.
So my family and the vibes. I love the vibes. I love it. Yeah. So the next question is, how the hell you escape from heaven, Jessie? This is a question for you.
How did I escape from heaven?
Yes.
I got kicked out.
I was just bullshitting. I was gonna get a nigga his wings back.
I got kicked out. I was playing too much up there.
I believe it too. Cracking too much jokes.
Me and Whitney.
All right, they asked about me. They asked about you. They said this question is for Jessie. Okay. Did nobody want to know nothing about me? So this question has three parts to it. The first one is, what's your dream car? My dream car, I've always wanted a Jaguar. That's my dream, okay? I have other cars that I like, but I've always wanted a Jaguar. I just thought they were so smooth and just, yeah. What about you? I already know that.
I like big cars. They got this.
You like trucks
and
SUVs and.
I like futuristic looking cars. So my favorite car has yet to come.
But yeah, that's my dream car. That's his dream car. The next part of the question is, what is our dream trip?
Dream trip?
I feel like our dream trip would be like both our families together, going anywhere.
Yeah.
I don't even care where it is. I just want to be around family. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't even care.
Our moms, brothers, and sisters.
Yep.
That just be.
And my dad. Yeah. Everybody just all together somewhere. It got to definitely have a beach though. Somewhere on the beach, with all our family. That's my dream trip. So. Yeah. The next part of the question is, who spends more money? Don't do me. Don't.
I think everybody can relate to that.
Don't put that on me.
The woman.
I like my
female half.
Lie in my tail. Don't listen to you. Me too always spend money I like here, because when I'm ready, I'm dipping at the bank. So don't put that part. Whatever. The next question is, what was our first impression of each other?
So when I first met her, right, y'all, she was speaking English. Like I said, our families know each other. So when I met her, I didn't know if she was American or if she was Jamaican. So she was speaking English. I'm like, okay, cool. And then another time, she started speaking Patois, and I was confused. I'm like, is this the same person? Hold on, wait. So I fell in love with the accent, y'all. Tell me.
My first impression, I thought he was so handsome, y'all. Like, I was just melting for him. I don't like I'm not racist or anything, but you know, everybody had a preference, and I liked it. Like, I like chocolate man. That's my preference. But he was on the little lighter side, but I was still like, Saying, I'll take me some light chocolate. I ain't gonna. But that was
mocha caramel.
Right. That was my first impression. I thought he was handsome, and I just was like, oh my god. All right, let me quit. So this question is for Jessie. How did you feel when you called your wife the B word for a prank?
How do I feel? It was a prank. She didn't take it personal, so you know I didn't take it personal. Afterwards. No big deal.
Okay, so the next one is, how long have you been married? We've been married for 3.5 years. Okay, going on a strong fourth.
Going on 4 years in March.
Yes. I think this question is for Jessie. It goes, what are your plans and goals? And Jessie, you look pretty ripped. Any tips on working out, and what's the best way on doing that? The first question is for both of us. What are our plans and goals? The second part is for you. You can just chill out with all that. Like, don't ever ask him nothing about working out, because he is a gym fanatic. Okay, he a gym junkie, and he will go crazy and never stop talking about the gym. So I'm just gonna warn y'all.
All right, so let's go to the first question.
Let's do that, because I know you itching to answer that second part. So what are our plans and goals? Our plans and goals are to become successful at whatever we do, which includes YouTube. My husband is an aspiring actor and model. And I would love to open my own business one day. My dream is to open my own hotel, actually. I went to school for hospitality and tourism management, and I kind of like the, you know what I'm saying, the little hotel thing. So yeah, I want to open my own hotel. Yep. So that's my plans, that's his plans, that's our goals.
Yeah, I did a little bit of acting, a little bit of modeling here, and I just hope to get big in that. So
Yep. So if y'all see him out there, any producer or, you know, director, look at the face. Look at that. Vogue, babe, Vogue. Hit him up. We got our business email on the page. Hit him up, y'all. Hit him up, okay? Give my boo a break. Go ahead and answer the second part.
What was it, working out?
Yep, he said you look pretty ripped. Any tips on working out and what's the best way of doing that?
Alright. For the sake of the channel, I'm just gonna go here. I'm finna start posting a lot more workout videos and stuff on my personal IG. It's gonna be Jessie_Brown_ASOG. ASOG stands for A Son of God, by the way. So check that out. You'll start seeing a lot of my videos on there. So as far as getting ripped and stuff, it's all about food and what you eating. You know what I'm saying? You gotta eat good, eat healthy, stay away from all that pork. You know what I'm saying? Stay away from that beef. Stay away from that sugar. Stay away from, you know, stuff that's gonna cause you not to be ripped.
So a healthy diet.
A healthy diet.
And they want to know about the workout part of it.
The workout part, yeah, I said it. The workout part, you just gotta just stick with my personal IG. You start seeing my workouts a lot more.
That was pretty quick, guys. I'm surprised.
Yeah. For the sake of time.
The next question is, has Jessie ever been to Jamaica? Yes, of course. It was lit.
Yeah, that was a fun time, y'all. That was a fun time.
Yes, guys, he did go to Jamaica. He's been around my family. We went out, we had fun, we did a number of stuff.
It was pretty dope. I enjoyed it. Like I said, that's how I learned about the good food they had.
Wait, so you don't think my food good?
Yeah, I like your food too. But that's some food that, because a lot of the stuff that they sell in Jamaica, we don't have here in the U.S. Like ackee and saltfish.
And that's because we don't have it in Michigan where we at. Like we don't get a lot of Jamaican stuff where we at in Michigan. So
yeah.
But they have it in other states. Yeah. But just not our state. So the next question is, do you love your Jamaican wife and why do you love her?
Yes, I love my Jamaican wife. That's funny.
Right.
Why do I love my Jamaican wife? Because she is my Jamaican wife, y'all. I mean, look at her. What's not to love on her?
How long have you been living in the States? That's a tricky question. So I officially moved here. I'm gonna just say officially. You know, I moved here 4 years ago.
Yeah.
4 years officially. Before that, I was back and forth from Jamaica to here in the U.S. But officially 4 years. I'm gonna say 4 years. This question is a little different. I didn't expect this one. Is there racism there? And if yes, how do you deal with it?
Racism where?
I'm assuming where we live, or in, I guess, where we live.
Is racism everywhere? Can't escape
everywhere. You can't escape that at all.
Yeah, so that's just, it's a part of life now, you know what I'm saying?
I would say how we deal with it, we don't really come across a lot of it. We don't have like a lot of experience with racism, but we know it's there, you know what I'm saying? I would just say, they haters. Don't even focus on what they saying. They saying negative stuff, just brush it off, push it to the side, keep it moving. You know what I'm saying? As long as they don't physically touch you, you good. Words are just words, you know what I'm saying? As well as words are powerful, but not them kind of words. You know what I'm saying? Those words don't matter, so.
Just dust them off.
Okay. What inspired you guys to do YouTube? Y'all don't even know how long we've been wanting to do YouTube, but we just naturally, us human beings, we are procrastinators, and we
most of us, not everybody, don't take it personal.
Look,
most of us.
Let's just clarify that. And I'm gonna say we are procrastinators sometimes, and we trying to, you know what I'm saying, not do that. We trying to not be procrastinators,
right?
But we did want to do YouTube for a really, really long time. It's just that one day I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna get up, go buy this camera, and we gonna start it. I just got fed up with procrastinating, and we just started. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. It's been years since we wanted to like start YouTube, but we just never did it. But now we are. So, what inspired us?
I said earlier, we wouldn't start a YouTube unless our life is interesting. You know what I'm saying? And I knew that our life was pretty interesting. Because we did like so much stuff, you know, like going on trips to Jamaica, and with us both being like opposites of each other, you know what I'm saying?
But we travel a lot too outside of just going to Jamaica. We travel within the U.S., go different places, and do a lot fun of stuff. Right now, we're in Cali, as you can see. But this wasn't like a trip for leisure. This was more like a business kind of thing. So, yeah. But yeah. We've always wanted to do it, so I think we kind of just inspired ourselves. Yeah. Next question is, what do you guys do other than YouTube? So, like, what our occupations are. Okay. I think we mentioned in a previous video that my husband's a police officer.
Yes.
And I am a front desk agent for the Hyatt, where I live. I work at a hotel as a front desk agent. So yeah, that's what we do. And we're aspiring business owners and actor and models.
Yeah, like I said, we work on our dreams while we're grinding. I'm saying constant grind, always grinding. So we running 1,000 miles an hour. We doing so much different stuff. We got stuff going on here, stuff going on there, stuff going on there. We're just trying to make it all become one big empire.
Yeah. So. For sure. The next question is, if we had to move anywhere in the world, where would it be and why? I ain't gonna lie. I think I want to move like back to Jamaica. Of course, if we rich. Because I'm gonna just say this, like, you want to have enough money to be comfortable wherever you live in. You know what I'm saying? You want to be comfortable. You don't want to be having to worry about bills and where the next money gonna come from to pay that or this. So as long as we got money, I would go back to Jamaica with my boo and start a family. Where would you go, babe?
So funny.
If you could move anywhere, where would you go and why?
If I can move anywhere. I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out right now. Seriously though. Like right now, we in LA. LA is pretty nice, you know. I wouldn't mind living here because it's like the home of, you know, the movie industry and, you know, the model industry. So maybe LA. Who knows? Who knows?
My why is because I grew up in Jamaica and I love it there. My family is there and I just love it there. That's why I would want to move there. So, yeah. This question is, and I think it's the last one. It's a two-part question. A couple of people asked the first part of the question. So the first question is, how did you guys meet?
Well, we met in Chicago. That's where we met. Mm-hmm. So we met through mutual family. Mm-hmm. My family is from Chicago. Her family is from Jamaica, but she has family in Chicago too. Mm-hmm. So my family is friends with her family, and that's how we met. Like I said earlier. So like, is she speaking? I didn't know she was Jamaican or she was from Chicago. I was so confused, but.
So the thing about that is, a lot of people ask, like, how do you speak Jamaican and still speak, like, the American dialect? And I'm like, okay, let me just go ahead and clarify this. I am 100% Jamaican. However, I have been coming here to the US since I was like 2-3 years old. So I've been around, you know what I'm saying, the American culture for a really long time. So I just adapted to it, and I just learned how to talk like how they talk. You know what I'm saying? Like, it was just something that just happened. I don't know how, it just happened. Okay, but me, I still 100% Jamaican. You understand?
It's not happening for me. I'm trying.
He tried, y'all. He tried. He doing good. You know what I'm saying? Doing better than most people I know. A lot of people, they've been trying for years, can only say like one word. I think you're doing pretty good.
Yeah.
But yeah, y'all, that's how we met. We met through our family in Chicago. All right. The next question is, how old are both of us?
I'm 25, so I'm her sugar daddy.
You ain't nobody's sugar daddy.
25, my sugar daddy.
Whatever. So he's 25 and I'm 23 going on 24. My birthday September 27th, and I would really appreciate all the birthday shout outs I can get. Alright guys, so that concludes this video. We hope you enjoyed this one.
Most definitely. You guys learned a lot about us.
Yeah.
Definitely. Any of these questions that we asked, that you guys asked us. You guys can also answer these questions too. You know what I'm saying? Let us know. Like, if you, what countries do you want to visit and why? You know what I'm saying? If you can live down there, so definitely blow up that comment section, y'all. We are
Let us
reading
know
it.
what you think.
We're liking your comments. We're not just liking comments just to like. We're actually reading them. So.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, it's been a lot of them lately, and I can't really keep up, but we trying. Okay, we trying to keep up, but it's a lot. So bear with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
And you'll have good luck for the rest of the year. Until next time.